the class of maths of class 2. The topic is mental subtraction in two parts. This page number, this is from your book, page number 58. Okay, this is mental math subtraction question. So I thought that you just might problem in that questions, that's why I just make video for you. This one you have to do. For subtracting a single digit number, we divide the number into two parts, so that on subtracting the first place we get the nearest tens. Okay, so as you just normal subtraction, you just subtract the single digit number with the two digit number, there is no problem. But here you have to, when you subtract a single digit number, this one, we have to divide the number in two parts. Okay, after that, what will happen? The subtract the first place we get, when you subtract the first part, you get the nearest tens. After that, you subtract the other. See how you we have to subtract 53 minus 8. You can write like this: 53 minus 3 minus 5. These two number. Here we just divide the. We can divide this 8 into two parts, in two number. Okay. After that, you can divide. If you minus 53 minus 3, we will get 50. Okay, and this will be the nearest 10. When we divide the first number, okay, then we get the nearest 10. 50 is the nearest 10 of 53. Then we subtract the other. When we subtract the other number, what will we get? 50 minus 5, the answer will be 45. Like this we have to do. Okay, you have to remember, in this method you have to split the number, or you can divide the number in two parts. Okay, that is 8, you divide it minus 3 and minus 5. If you plus that, the answer will be 8. So for when we subtract the first part, we get the nearest 10. After that nearest 10 is 50, we will divide again with the second part. Then we got the answer. So some exercises are there in your book. So let's start. How you can do the question is, write the number in the box so that first subtraction gives you an answer that is some whole tens. Okay, you have to write the number here. You have to write the number in the box so that the subtraction, the number what will you will write, when you subtract with this number, then your answer will be whole tens, that is the nearest tens your answer will be. After that, you have to subtract this number with the second number. Now subtract the other number. So let me start. First 45 minus, so we have to make it the nearest 10. So we will write here 45 minus 5 equal to minus 3. Then, so before that, back calculation I will show you, because one step is not shown here. For that, we can write 45 minus 8. Minus 8. After that, you can split 45 minus 5 minus 3. Like this. Okay? Then we will write 45. First we minus with this number, we get, our answer is 45 minus 5. We will write here 40. Then we will subtract with the second number, that is 3. Then our answer will be 37. So here we can write 45 minus 5, and this is 37. Hope you will understand. Okay. So 45 because this step is not in your book. So how we will get the 5? Because we have to make it the nearest 10 or whole number, whole 10. Okay. So make it the whole 10 or nearest 10. We have to, this is your unit place, 5 is a unit place. So we have to just replace this one. So we have to subtract with the same number. That's why I have written 45 minus 5 or minus 3. Okay, I hope you will understand. Then you will go to the second number. 83 minus, so we can write here 3. The first 83 minus, here it will be also 8. 83 minus 3, this is the unit place, so we have to replace it. For that we have to make it the nearest 10 place. So for nearest places we just subtract this unit digit with the same number. So that's why 83 minus 3 is 3 and that is 5. So our answer is here 75. You can write here 5, then the 75. The next one, $53 sorry, you have to write here 3. Okay, 53 minus, the same thing you have to do. This is the unit place, so we have to make it the 0. That's why we have to write here 3. And you can write here 50 minus 8 42. Okay, then you write here 53 minus 3 and this one is your 42. 27 minus 3, this is a unit place, so we can subtract right here. 7, then 20 minus 2 equal to 80. Hope you all understand this question. Okay, then is 53 minus 11. I just write it, it will just very easy for you to understand. Then this, for this one, this side, write 27 minus 9. Okay, hope all of you understood these questions. Okay, 3 more questions are there in your book. You should practice that one. Today I just finished my class. One more question is in your book. I will show you in the next video. But today I just finished my class. Thank you.